Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahartethstrcourses. In this video, I am going to discuss about common TET, which is to be conducted in July 2023. Yes, it is a good news actually. So the notification has been out for CTET. Okay, so if you are someone who is interested in pursuing a career in teaching, then you have come to the right place. Okay. The Central Teacher Eligibility Test or CTET, it is actually one prestigious examination conducted by Central Board of Secondary Education, CBSE, okay, and this is conducted twice a year, and the notification for CTET July 2023 exam has been released recently, and in this video we will discuss the important details like syllabus and exam pattern, and which website you have to go, and I will explore the website for you all. And if you are a aspirant of Karnataka TET, then things are going to become very easy for you, because every year Karnataka TET is conducted specifically for the recruitment of teachers in Karnataka state, right? So the syllabus and exam pattern is similar. But only thing is that Karnataka TET is conducted only in Karnataka, whereas CTET or common TET is conducted for all over India, and it will be an online examination. Okay, so this is the website. It is a ctet.nic.in. okay, ctet.nic.in. I will give the link of the website in the description below this video. You can directly click that link and you can reach to this website. Okay, so here you can see that this website is from Central Board of Secondary Education or CBSE, and there is a public notice here. Here we have this public notice. Okay, if you click this thing, you will get this notice. This notice is dated at 25th April. Okay. So the notice has been released on 25th April, and here they are giving you the fee for paper 1 and 2. Okay, see, for paper 1 it is 1000 rupees for general category or OBC aspirants, and for paper 2 also it is 1000 rupees. Okay, separately if you want to write the examination, it is 1000 and 1000. Okay, for paper 1 it is 1000 and for paper 2 it is 1000. Okay, but if you want to write both the papers, then you need to pay only 1200 rupees. Okay, if you are from SC/ST or differentially abled person category, then for paper 1 you have fees is 500 rupees. For paper 2 it is 500 rupees. If you want to write both, then you just have to pay 600 rupees. Okay, so this is there in the notice, and a few other things are also there, like this first come first served basis thing is there. Means who is applying first, no, they will be given the preference of which center they want. Okay, so next sheet is in Hindi. Okay, so you can read this out. Another important point given in this notice is that the exam will be computer based test. Means it will be an online examination, and online application process will start from 27th April they have told, and the last date for submitting online application is 26th May. Okay, up to 11:59. Okay, means before 12 o'clock you have to submit the application. And what else is there? And they are telling that it's better to complete the application process without waiting for the last date. Okay, so all these details are written in public notice. Now let's go back to this website. The second thing is there, information bulletin CTET July 2023. So if I click that, I am getting this information bulletin of 35 pages. It is there. Okay, so here it is told that last date for submission of online application. I already told you about this, right? And dates of examination. Dates of examination, they are telling that this thing, July 2023 to August 2023. Okay, it will be computer based test, that is it will be online mode. Examinations will be from July 2023 to August 2023. Okay, which slot you will come in, you will come to know after you get this admit card. Okay, now what else is given in this? See, this is a very lengthy file, right? It's 35 pages are there. So I will put it in the Telegram channel if you want, or anyway the link of the website though is already given, right? So if you have not joined the Telegram channel, so please join the Telegram channel. And also if you have not subscribed to my channel still, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, for more future updates like this, and also share among your friends. Okay, because maybe they don't know about this notification, so that they will get to know about the notification if you share this video. Okay, so this was the information bulletin, right? What else is given here? So they are telling about how to apply the application. Okay, you can read this out. All this method of submission is given, how to submit the application form, and then what all documents are needed for you. You need a scanned photo and signature, means in the form of photo you should have signature also. Okay, and photograph also. That will be in JPG or JPEG format should be there, because you have to do everything online, right? See, if you are not able to do, you can go into some nearby shop and you can tell that guy to do. You have to pay some money maybe, but what I suggest is you try to explore the website by yourself and you try to apply by your own. Okay, it will be very easy actually. Okay, so things are you have to keep is, before applying you need to have photo, you need to have signature, and they are telling the size of that photograph also. It should be 10 to 100 KB. They are giving the dimension of that photograph also. It should be 3.5 centimeter into 4.5 centimeter. And even they are telling the size of the signature file also. It should be 3 to 30 KB. Okay, so all these details are there, and fees though I already told you. All this is there. Then if you have any doubt, you can talk to them. They are giving phone number and email ID is also there. Then they are giving the contents of this booklet, very huge booklet, right? So many other things are there, you can read them out. They are telling about the timing of the examination, shift 1 and shift 2 timings they are telling, and they are telling that it is 2.5 hour examination. Okay, then mode of submission is online they are telling. Then eligibility thing though I think it will be graduation plus B.Ed only, right? So that thing will be there. And then this is important. Now see, paper 1 means that exam will be written by aspirants who are interested to teach class 1 to class 5. Paper 2 means this is written by aspirants who are interested to teach class 6 to class 8. But then there are no restrictions. You can write both exams also, so that you will be eligible to teach from class 1 to class 8. Okay. Here for paper 1 they are giving us details. CDP will be there. It will be of 30 marks, means 30 questions will be there. Language 1 and language 2 will be there, each of 30 marks, means 30 multiple choice questions will be there. Mathematics 30 multiple choice questions, means 30 marks, and environmental studies 30 marks, means 30 multiple choice questions. Okay, there will be no negative marking. If you add them up, you will understand that there are 150 questions, 150 multiple choice questions for 1 mark each, so it will be 150 marks. Okay, there will be no negative marks. If you are a Karnataka TET aspirant, then things will become very easy for you. And if you have purchased my Karnataka TET course, then it will become more easy for you, because the syllabus is similar only. Okay. And if you have not purchased, if you are interested to purchase, then you will find the details of that course in the description below this video. You can join my Telegram channel, or you can write to me. I have a mail ID, atahartethstrcourses@gmail.com. You will find the email ID also below. Okay, you can write to me in the Telegram group, or you can write to me via mail. Okay, you can purchase that Karnataka TET course, which is similar to this common TET things. Okay, basically it will be focused on mathematics and environmental studies. Okay, it does not include CDP. I think 2 or 3 complementary classes are there for CDP, that's all. Okay. See, before purchasing the course, you can see the list of the chapters for which the classes are available in that course. Okay, so there will be one link. You can click that link and you can see the list of the chapters which are available in that course. Okay, around 35 classes are there, I think, in Karnataka TET course. Okay, so this is about paper 1. Then they are telling about languages. Language 1 and language 2 is compulsory, right? So you can choose any language from the table given here. It can be Kannada, it can be English, it can be Hindi. And the language 2 also you have to choose. Okay, you have to choose 2 languages. See, for example, think if you are Kannada medium, you choose English as a first language. I mean to say, you choose Kannada as a first language and you choose English as second language. If you are Urdu medium, then you choose Urdu as the first language and you choose English as second language. Okay, like that. If you are Hindi medium, then you choose Hindi as first language and English as second language. Okay. Then same pattern is for paper 2 also. But here only thing is if you are a science aspirant, then you will write mathematics and science. If you are a non-science and maths aspirant, then you will write social studies. Okay. Rest all is same for this also. 150 questions, 150 marks. Okay. No negative marking. Now let's see the syllabus. Okay. So for paper 1, you can see here CDP is there. For primary school basis it will be there. So 30 questions will be there. In that also 15 questions is for child development, primary school child. Then 5 questions are for concept of inclusive education and understanding children with special needs. And total how much? We got 20, right? Now 10 more questions for learning and pedagogy. Okay, total 30 questions from child development and pedagogy. Next, for second language, you will have 30 questions. In that, 50 questions are for comprehension. Means one passage will be there. You will have to read that passage and then you have to answer the questions given below that passage. Okay, that is comprehension. That will be for 15 marks. And 15 questions will be from pedagogy of language development. Okay, total 30 questions for language 1. Then again for language 2 you have 30 questions. In that also 15 questions for comprehension, 15 questions for pedagogy of language development. Basically you have pedagogy for everything here. Okay. Then coming to mathematics, 30 questions from mathematics. In that 50 questions from content, geometry, shapes and spatial understanding, solids around us, numbers, very easy topics, right? Addition and subtraction, multiplication, division, measurement, weight, time. Based on this 50 questions will be there. Of course, volume, data handling, patterns and money. Okay. So 15 questions from this content and 15 questions from mathematics pedagogy will be there. Okay. Same thing is applied for environmental studies also. 15 questions for content like topics are family and friends, relationships, work and play, animals, plants. In that you have food, shelter, water, travel, things we make and do. Okay, 15 questions for this content and 15 questions for pedagogy based on environmental studies. Okay. Then coming to paper 2 also similar things are there. 30 questions for CDP. In that 50 questions for child development. 15 questions for child development and 5 questions for concept of inclusive education and understanding children with special needs and 10 questions for learning and pedagogy. Then for language 1 you have 30 questions. In that again 15 questions for comprehension, 15 questions for pedagogy. Again language 2 same 30 questions. Comprehension 15 questions, pedagogy based on second language 15 questions. Okay. Now here there will be difference. For mathematics and science you have 30 questions. In that for mathematics you have 30 questions and science you will have 30 questions. Again in mathematics you have 20 questions for content. What is the topic here? Number system is there, algebra is there, geometry is there. So many topics you will have 20 questions. Again 10 questions for mathematics pedagogy. Total 30 questions, right? Similarly for science also you have 30 questions. 20 questions for content. What is the content given? Food, materials, world of living, moving things, people and ideas, how things work, natural phenomena and natural resources. 20 questions for this content. Again 10 questions for pedagogy based on science. Okay. So this is the syllabus. Next then you have for social sciences. Okay. Then so many other details are given. You can see these details. I will give you the link of this website in the description, or I will give you this file in the Telegram channel. Okay. Now coming back to this website, here you see this here, apply for CTET July 2023. Either you click this one, or here in the bottom of this page you have apply for CTET July 2023 under candidate activity. Okay, you click here. So if you click here, again it will go to apply for CTET July 2023. If you click here again, it will ask that you are being redirected. You say okay. You will get this website from where you have to apply for this exam. Okay, first you have to do registration. First you have to apply for online registration, then you have to fill online application form, then you have to pay the examination fee. Okay, so this is how you have to submit the application. Okay, this is the website for that. Okay, if you want, I can directly give the link for this website also. Okay, I'll be giving the link for this website also. Okay, you can find the direct link of this website in the description below this video. So I really hope that if any one of you is interested, then you will go to this website and you will apply for this examination. See, my advice is never feel scared of any examination. Okay, now you have done B.Ed, you have done graduation. Now what is the next for you? Next for you is competitive exams only. It can be Karnataka TET, it can be CTET, or it can be any HSTR, HSTR, like recruitment examinations. So you should get used to by writing the competitive examinations. Okay, and believe me, it will be very easy exam. If you are a TET aspirant, then it will be very easy for you. Okay, then thank you. All the best. Bye.